Hello friends, it's me Sulesh. Today I'm going to discuss about Google Analytics tool. It's a free tool from Google, and we need to know how you can measure the segments in Google Analytics. It's more related to your website or mobile application. And first thing, we need to connect our website to Google Analytics tool. Then only we can use the Google Analytics tool. Google Analytics is a free tool from Google, but if you want to use that, we need to have programmer help to connect Google Analytics server to your website. So now I'll just give you a small demo, the machine side, how the things are there, so you will understand really in the backend. And also, if you want to know how to connect Google Analytics to the website, you can watch the video. I have already a video there in my channel, so you can find the link in description below. So now I'm just going to show you the steps. Okay, for example, here this is your website. Okay, this is your website. Your website have home page, different product or service pages there, more pages also there. So now why you need to connect Google Analytics to your website? The mainly we can measure the data, like how many people are visiting your website, how long they are spending, or from where they are visiting, like from which countries, or from which platform, from social media how many people they visited your website, or from advertisement how many people they visited, like that. So many things there, lot of data there. So now to measure that, first you need to have Google Analytics account, and this account should connect with the website, so then only it will work. So that video I already made the connection part, so you can watch that. And if you are a digital marketer, you really don't need to connect that. The programmer will help for that. It's not your work. But again, if you know how to do the website programming side, then you can watch and you can understand. And also, if you have a website like WordPress or Shopify or Wix.com or something related to that ready-made platform, then you can watch the video. It will be very useful, because same things I'm explaining there, like a ready-made platform. And if your website is a coding website, still it will be useful. Still you can watch that video, so you will understand where you will put the coding in your coding website from Google Analytics. So anyway, we will continue only here, Google Analytics dashboard. So I'm going to open Google Analytics account. So here, once your programmer or you already connected your website to Google Analytics, so how we will check that the connection is properly done or no? It means from here the website is already connected to your server. For example, you are not the one doing, there is a programmer they are doing, but still you need to check, double check it's connected properly or no. So when you are connecting, maybe something went wrong, it will not connect properly, and then you will get this Google Analytics account also. So once it's already connection done, then what you need to do, you need to go to the Google search engine, and you need to search here Google Analytics in Google searching. Then you will see the link. Just click the link and sign in with your Gmail ID, which Gmail ID you sign up. Okay, just watch the video, my old video, so you can understand how these things will work. Then once you have already the account, so now you can measure from here. The first things, you need to test your website is working or no with Google Analytics. To do that, you need to open your website. Which website is connected with your Google Analytics, that website you need to open in your browser. I'm opening the website here in browser. It's loading there. So then I will check here in real time overview. Okay, you can check here in the left panel in Google Analytics, there is a real time overview. So there is one right now, one there. You can see the one user is here, because I opened that that my website in a browser, that's why. Now I am going to open this website in my mobile phone, so we can check that there is any changes is happening or no. So I open already the website in mobile phone, and it should change here. You can see now there is a 2 user. So it means there is a 2 user, they are browsing this website. So now it's working properly. The connection part is done already, successfully done. That we can test from the real time. So normally we are using real time for testing purpose. Right now currently how many people are viewing your website. Normal website we don't need to check always real time, only for the testing purpose we are using. But maybe you are working in a company, that company website is very popular, lot of people are visiting always. Something like you are working in a news channel and their website they are adding new article like a news, so a lot of people are reading, right? So that time we can check here right now one news already posted in website, then we can check right now, or they will put this right now option in display screen. So like 10,000 50,000 100,000 people are reading same time, like that they need to watch. That's why a normal website actually we really no need this part, just to test your website is working or not. So that is the reason we will check here. And our main tab is here, audience. You can see the next tab, audience. There is a lot of things here. Google Analytics, if you want to do complete, you want to learn, it will take maybe 4 or 6 months. That much things are here, but we don't need really this all. If you are a digital marketer, we need to know the main things, but later you can catch a little by little, you can get the advanced one option also. But we need to know really the normal things here, how to measure. The main is in second one, you can see audience, it's another tab, overview. So this is one of the main, you need to always measure this data from the audience overview. What is audience overview? Within particular period, how many people they visit your website, and more details here. I'm going to explain this all the metric, so you will really understand this. So now what I'm going to do, I will change the date. For example, I will just put from April, or for example this year, from January, that is start date in the first column, and second column that is end date. I'll put till, for example, September 20. So I already put the start date and end date, apply. So the data will be here from that date, start date to end date, whatever the data is, you can see here, it's already here. So just scroll down, then you can see here some metric. I'm going to explain this. How many user they visited your website. How many user mean how many people we can say, for example, or how many device, or how many people. 1200 people they visited your website, this website, within this period. That is how many user, the people. How many new user? 1194 new user. Some people they are confusing here, this 1200 is user, then new user is 1194, and total user for your website 1200 plus this. It's not like that. This is the total. Out of this is new user. It means these users, they never visited your website before. That is the meaning here. And if you minus this to this, what is the answer? That return visitor, it means they visited before also, within this period. Within this period, that the people they visited, but some people they visited before also, that is a return user. So that is the ratio you can see here. Okay, that is total user, new user. There is some return user also here there. The next segment here, that is sessions. Okay, what is the session here? 1400. So it means, for example, if I visited a website and I already opened your website, for example, imagine this is your website. So I open apple.com and I already inside the website, I already landed to that website, and after I spending time here or no, or I visiting different pages, anyway, after that I close this website, or I'm not active in that page. So that is called one session. Okay, one session. So now the user, how many people they visited your website? 1200, but session is 1400. It means some user they visited your website multiple time within this period. So if the user they visited different, for example, one user, for example, I visited this website July 15th, then I visited this website again August 10th, then I visited this website again September 9th. So 3 times I visited this website, for example. So it will not add 3 here, it will add only 1. User is 1, but session will add 3. It's like that. So that is actually session, how many times people they visited your website within that period. So it means now if this user they visited only 1 time your website, then it will be saying 1200 here, but now it's showing 1400. It means some user they visited multiple time your websites. Okay, that is session. I hope it's clear. Now here you can see here number of session per user. This is actually the ratio, the calculation between user and the session. One user, how many session they did average, that is here. So one user 1.17 session they did average. So it's a very simple way I will explain. Imagine your user is 100, for example, your user is 100 and your session is 200, for example, then ratio will be 2. It means average one user is visited your website 2 times. So 100 here, 200 here, like that the ratio. So now after that you can see the page view, how many pages they viewed in these sessions. So how many pages in your website, like that, the view. For example, I visited a website and I go to the main page. So this is a home page. So I'm doing one session and one page I visited. Now I'm going to iPad page. So I click on iPad page, then same session I'm doing session is 1, but the page view 2. Now home page also before I visited, now the iPad page, so 2. If I visited iPhone page, now it's the iPhone page. Okay. So now 3 page views, like that. These are the page view. If I visited again home page, it will count as a 1 more, so 4, like that. So that is a page view, how many pages they viewed. So this is the total session, how many times the user they visited the website. If they visited only one page each session, it will come exactly 1400 here, but now it's showing 2600 plus. It means some of the sessions the user they visited, the pages they view, multiple pages they view, not only one page. So like that. Now we can see the ratio here also, session and the page view correlation here, the ratio. One session, what is the average page, how many pages, average how many pages one session the people are doing. So that is 1.87, almost 2 pages the people are viewing in one session average. That is the ratio here. Okay, now if you don't understand any of this segment, you can comment, so I will get back to you to clear this. Then after that, here you can see average duration, how long the session duration, one session average, how long people are spending time. This is a time actually in your website. If I go to website and how long I am spending this time on this website, if I go to the website, after that maybe after 5 seconds I just close, so 5 seconds only, so like that. So this is from the total session, the average. So it means 1 minute 40 second average duration for the website. So it's not bad, it's good, because it's not like people just go and close. People are spending time there, and also people are visiting multiple pages also. So that is the session duration. Then after that you can see bounce rate. Bounce rate means people are bouncing from your page. It means someone landed on your website. It means they landed from outside. Where they landed, maybe the landing page is home page or landing page or any pages, because sometimes people will land directly to the different pages. So I landed to this page, for example. Imagine I'm searching directly here, so I landed to the home page. So I'm already landed here. Then if I spend time or not, that is doesn't matter. If I didn't visit any other pages, for example, if I didn't visit any other page, if I close this, it means I bounce from this website. But if I at least visit one more pages, if I landed to one page, after that if I visit one more page at least, then I'm not bouncing. Okay, so that is bounce rate is all about the single page user. They are not going to another pages. That is the bounce rate here. That is 69.21 percentage is bounce, where the people they landed to this website, they are not viewing any other page. That is 69 percentage from all the website landing page. But these people are spending time, that's why 1 minute plus, there is almost 2 minutes, there is a duration there. So that is all about this metric. So I hope you got this segment. Now next, here you can see there is a languages. It means the people they visited your website, the user, their device, what is the language setting. Top 10 language will come here. Then each languages, we can see how many user are there. Top 10 will come here, and if we click the full report, we can get the complete report for the languages. What are the language device they visited your website. Top 10 again, here you will get. What you can do, you can just put more, because here 37 languages are there. So you can see now 37 language setting user they visited the website. So let me change the period. I'll put more date, more period, so then we can see more language setting there, the device. So now we can see there is more there. Total 100 plus language setting devices already visited this website. Okay, so different languages. So that is the option here for the languages. So if you want to go back to the page, the audience overview page, you can click on the audience overview now, because when you click on the languages full report, it will automatically jump to another tab. So you can switch back to overview. Okay, I click on the overview. Now we can see this again to the audience overview page. These are the top 10 languages, the user. Then same thing, same panel here, you can click on the country. So when you click country, here you can see top 10 countries here who visited more user there, who visited your website, the top 10. And there you can see maybe node set maybe most of them robots, like for the search engine robot, Google Ads robots, or social media. So different robots also they are visiting your website, so that will come under node set option, unknown option. Maybe that is the one here. So anyway, see here you can see different countries. If you want to click the check the full report, you can click on the view full report. Then you can see the total, how many countries they visited. So total 138 countries already visited this website. So if you want to check the full report, just put another value here, the page number. So you can see total countries here. So that all the country, from that country people they visited your website, that is the list here. Now automatically it went to the location here. So we'll go back, you can click on overview, so it will go back to the first page. So languages by default selected, you can click country again, so this country here. Now once you selected country, there's a different country here, but if you want to check in one country what are the cities, from which cities people they visited your website, you can simply click one country name. So once you click one country name, that country name will open, then you can see what are the cities or states the people they visited, or region the people they visited your website from that country. So top 10 will be here, 43 actually total there. So 43 city or region or state, that all we can make it separate. You can see here individually the cities, so how many user from there, like that. Also each segment there is how many new user, how many session, what is the bounce rate, what is the duration, each and everything we can get it from here. Even the languages, there will be the option, sub option here. Now you go, if you want to go back to the main page for the audience, click on overview. So you will be on the overview page. Now this is each country. You can click and check what are the cities there, or if you want to check from all these countries how many countries they visited, from all the city, if you want to check complete, you can directly click the city. Then you will get top 10 cities from different countries. Full report, you can get all the cities from this. You can see 861 cities actually they visited this website from all over the world. So all the cities you can see here, and how many user, how many sessions, bounce rate, duration, everything you can get it from here. So it's a really very heavy tool, and it's a free tool, but only we need to connect our website to the Google Analytics tool. Okay, I will click on overview to go back. That is the main metric we need to check in the audiences. There you can see actually what browser they use when they are visiting your website, browsing your website. Google Chrome is always highest, Safari and different one. What is the operating system? In this all about the system, like computer. So what is the operating system? It's loading. So what is the operating system? There you can see Android user, how many Windows, iOS, different system, service provider, what internet they are using. Then mobile phone also operating system, what are the, always Android will be high, and service provider there. That all we don't need for normal cases. And what is the screen size for the mobile? So different screen size. Full report, if you check, there is so many system like mobile with different screen size, 230 different mobile screen size already they visited. If you click one screen resolution there, and you will get more detail, what are the mobile phone they use when they are browsing your website, like that, how many user from that mobile device. So it's a lot of huge data is here. So I'll click on overview, and mainly we need to check for the website these metrics, and country we can check if it's more into worldwide product. If your company or your website is more targeting to one country, you will get more user from that country. You will definitely get from some other country also, but not like this, some of them, but more into that targeting country only you will get it. But this website is a little bit more all over the world, that's why it's more user, they are coming from different countries. So I hope you got this all segment. And if in case if you want to download this report with a period, so you can click the export button here, and any of this format you can download it. PDF, if you download, this complete page will be inside the PDF. Or if you want any sub pages like a full report for the country wise or language wise, city wise, that you click full report, then change the page view in one page how many cities or countries, then you just download, export, so that all the report will be inside the PDF. So that is all about the audience we need to check in normal way. And there's in advance lot of things we can do here, but first you need to learn the normal, and this is more than enough when we are doing digital marketing. These are the daily segment we need to check for the daily report. And I'm going to upload more videos for the advanced level, so you can subscribe the channel and press the bell icon, so that when I'm uploading new video you will get the same time notification. So I'm going to explain next segment, that is acquisition overview. Acquisition means all about from where they came. Where means not country, which platform they, from which platform they go to your website. There is organic, direct, social, referral, different options. Again there will be more option will add. So now this much only there, it means from where people they go to your website, the source. Now we can see organic search, 58+% user they go to this website from organic search. Organic search means from the search engine, people they search the keyword or website, the brand company name for your company, or the keyword they search and they find your website, they go to your website. If you are good in SEO, search engine optimization, then only normally you will get the organic. So that you need to have the SEO, search and optimization, good for your website, then you will get organic. If you don't have organic user, even one user you don't have, this organic segment will remove from here. You will see 3 option only. So at least minimum 1 user you need to have from the any of this segment here, then only the segment will appear. Now organic option, there is already the people are there, user are there, that's why organic is showing here. Okay, that is organic from the search engine. Organic, this organic, the from SEO. So now organic user is 3000 plus user is organic. It means most of the user from organic actually they came to this website. This is actually, you can see the SEO, search and optimization result. This is the result for the SEO. Then after that there is a direct 1900 plus people or user, they go to this website from direct means directly people they search your URL, your address, and they go to your website. This is considering as a direct. Or not only this, or you send your link, your website link in WhatsApp or any messenger inbox, the people they click from there and go to your website. This is also considering as direct. Or any email or any inbox they click, it will all considering as direct. Then there is a social, all the social platform, so social media, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, or any of the social platform, plus YouTube also including here. So how many people they came from the social platform, that is the user here. A referral means from another website. From another website, it means your link is in another website and someone click from your link from another website, they go to your website. That is called referral. That segment, referral, it's like maybe we are adding some backlink. So from the backlink the people they click your link and they go to your website, that is referral. Now here social, I'm going to click and open this segment social. When you open social segment, you will see there from which social platform the people they came. From Facebook, how many people they came, and the more detail, how many user, new user, session, like that. From blogging also, blogging page, so Google blogging page, that is also under social. So that also how many people they came, Pinterest, Instagram stories, LinkedIn, Twitter. So whatever the platform you have, the people they came to your website, that will update here automatically. Google will take that. Okay, that is all the social, it will update here. If you have more, you can go for different pages, or you can put more result in one page. Okay, then click on overview, you will go back to the main page. And if you are going to click the referral, you can see from which website the people they click your link and go to your website. Each website it will come here, that you can check from the referral. When you click on the referral, I will go back to the overview. So like this you can check, click and check from the acquisition side. Now if you have a paid advertisement in Google, that for example Google search ad or display ad, you have paid advertisement is running and the people click your ad, Google search ad or Google display ad, then they go to your website, then it will come under direct only. Then when you click direct, you will see only the landing page where the people they visited. You will see only landing page. But if you want to identify how many people they came from your Google search ad, how many people they came from Google display ad, like that, you need to connect Google Analytics to Google ads. That we need to do, we need to connect our Google Analytics and Google ads together, we need to join. Then only it will come new segment. Now 4 segment only here. Then it will add another one more, for example 5th segment, that will be paid search. Paid search means Google search advertisement. From paid search, how many people they go to your website. Then if you have display ads, someone searching your website, then 6th one, another segment will add here. The 6th one will be display network. Display network is a display ads. So if you link your Google Analytics to Google ads, then only that segment will come here. Automatically it will come here. So if you don't know how to link Google Analytics and Google ads, the linking part, you can find the video in description below, the link. So next segment, it's an important one, behavior. You can click the behavior option. The behavior is all about the page related. So how many pages the people they view, that we already saw here in the audience section. How many pages people they viewed, how many unique page view. Unique page view means, for example, in one session I go to one website, your website, and I landed to one page, for example. Then for example, I will landed to home page, and in home page I already view the page. After I click on iPad page, so it's another page, so 2 page view. Then I click again home page. Now 3 page view is there, but home page I visited 2 times. So here in this page view it will add 3, but unique page view it will add 2 only, because home page I visited 2 times. So it will be in one session, if I visited multiple times same page, it will count as a 1 only here in unique. That's only. Then average time spending on a page. Before we saw in audience there is a session, one session average, what is the duration. But now one single page, how long the user they are spending average, that is 3 minutes plus. It's very good, 3 minutes plus average duration on one single page. Then bounce rate is here already, the same thing. There is exit rate. So exit ratio is 43% plus. This exit rate ratio I will show you later with the pages, then you will understand properly. Here is average they are showing. So now here you can see the pages, what are the top 10 pages here, how many page views are there. If you click the full report, you can see all the pages from your website, then what is the page view you got within this period. So that is all the pages here. That is all about the behavior option, and so all about pages. And if you click one page, for example, the one page link here, only for that page segment will open. Then whatever the metric, the same metric here, it's only for that page. You can see how many page you, what is the unique page you, average time spending on that page. It's like the different option here. And here you can see the exit. This is the exit rate I showed before, 52% exit rate there for this page. So it means the people they go to this page from another page. For example, imagine the page is here, which is open, iPad page. So iPad page exit rate is high. High means the internal user, the people they go to this page from another page. Maybe someone go to iPad page from home page, because here I landed to home page, so I landed from outside to home page. Then from the home page I go to iPad page. Now I'm not bouncing from this website because I visited one more page. But in this iPad page, maybe I close this website. From the iPad page I close the website. So imagine this iPad page. So this iPad page will get the exit rate ratio high, because the people they are exiting from that iPad page, more people, because the user they visit your website anyway, they will exit from anywhere, any pages they will exit. But if one page have more exit ratio, the more people are exiting from that page, then the ratio will be high, that is the exit ratio. So like this you can check one by one pages from here. If you see only one slash, it means that is a home page. Then the other pages, page address will come here. The page address, the permalink or page address, it will be here. So for the iPad page, the permalink is here, or page address, it's here. So that is behavior. And one more thing you can check here, behavior flow. It means the people, how they are moving from one page to another page, or what are the pages they are browsing. So same thing here in overview behavior, we saw already the different top 10 pages. The top view page view, it's here, top page is here, then second, like that. Same these pages, each page is, it's here with the graph, like some diagram here. You can see this is actually the first page, the top page. This is home page, one slash only, like that. So this, how many people, the people they go to this page. When I hover over the mouse, you can see the pop-up window with this mouse cursor. You can see now total session is 4.8k. It means 4.8 4000 plus session already done this page or view there in this page, and after the people they go to this page 3.9k 3000 plus people they drop off. It means they close that page, this page, and 892 user session they go to another pages, and which pages they go from this page you can see here. The people they go from this page to home page, country, different pages. Same like that, the home page people they go to home page, from the home page they go to which pages. For example, I'm in home page. From the home page where I go, for example, this is the home page for one website. So from this website home page, from home page if I click iPad, so I go to iPad page from home page. So imagine this is for the Apple home page, so I go to iPad page. For iPad page will come here like that. So how many people they go to home page to iPad page, that it will show here. So even when you bring the cursor here you can see 310 total. So out of 2000 to 2000 total session 2k, so total session 2000 people they visited here, then 310 people they go to that page, then another page like that. So this is actually, you can see like this, people are moving to page, each page name there. So you can see what are the pages people are browsing. When someone go to website, they are clicking here, they go to another page. After they click here, they go to pricing page. Then from the pricing page they click some other link. Some people they close, that is drop off. Some people they click again another, like that new pages they are browsing. That is actually here the drop of each page, that is the drop off. It means the people are exiting completely. Then you can see still it is going like that. So different pages are there, so many pages it's coming here. So this all the detailed diagram you can get it from the behavior flow. It's a very good option, and if you have a huge website, load of products, it will go long way like this. People still, if you give a chance, people will really use that. That's why if you are getting more page view, your ranking will improve for your SEO. The Google will give more plus point for your website, because people are really viewing the more pages in your website, and also they are spending more time. This way you can rank your SEO, search engine optimization. And we already discussed this in the SEO side, SEO topic. We already discussed on page SEO, how you can improve your duration, and how you can get more visit for another pages. So all we discussed, that is the result here. Okay, so that is all we need to check in the Google Analytics side, the basic option. Then there is a conversion option there, like people are purchasing, how many people are purchasing from your website. If it is e-commerce, it's more into the e-commerce and conversion setup here. So for the normal website, maybe we cannot do the e-commerce setup. So even we click on the e-commerce side, it will not show anything, no segment there, is blank. So that programmer, they need to do the setup here if you have e-commerce. So that I will give some idea later with another video, how we can do the setup in e-commerce, more advanced option. So if you are like a normal digital marketer, that this is more than enough to understand how you can measure the segment here, and each segment, if the behavior or acquisition or any of the segment with any data here, you can export this in any format. You will get the export option. So you need to put your period here, start date and end date, and after you can export or you can measure the data here. Okay, I hope this video is useful for you. So kindly subscribe the channel, also press the bell icon. So see you on next video. Take care.